Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Le Neon Blanc returned to Kingston City over the weekend. The all-white affair saw patrons elegantly dressed at Hope Gardens for an unforgettable experience. Le Neon Blanc marks its fourth year and included the traditional waving of the cloth napkin to mark the beginning of the dinner and the lighting of sparkles as dusk descends to signify that the dance floor was now open. The show host was pleased with the showing of patrons.
So this is our fourth staging of Dinner Block, and it continues to blow our minds every year. You know, it's such a unique event. Just to have everybody come out, support, be really invested in their outfits, bringing their food, bringing their table decor, and coming out and just showing it the way that Kingston and Jamaica does it so different from everywhere else in the world.
No, the turnout was excellent. It's a festive season, family, friends, coming to have fun and food and wine all night long. And you can see they're dancing, they're not going to stop tonight. So we want to keep the party going, and we're glad that they came back to us after 2 years. And we welcome them. We look forward to 2020.
Guests were brought together from diverse backgrounds for delicious dishes while experiencing the beauty and value of the city's public spaces, and patrons were pleased with the event.
I always do. I always enjoy dinner. I've been here since the very first one, and as usual, it's a wonderful time.
When we're ending the year, we want to know that we're ending it good with a great vibe. God has been good. He's been just awesome. So we just have to give thanks when we can come out and celebrate with our friends.
Yeah, I think it's a good experience. Everybody come out stylish. As I mentioned before, the food is great, and everybody's drinking and having a good time.
Le Neon Blanc originated back in 1988 in Paris, France. The concept came to Jamaica in 2016, where the first staging of the event was held at Emancipation Park. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.